Phase changes in chemistry, Nickel Jack. Fundamentals of phase changes. There are essentially three states a substance can change into: solids, liquids, and gas. Every substance is in one of these phases at certain temperatures. The temperature and pressure where the substance will change is heavily dependent on the intermolecular forces that act on the atoms of the substance. At the bottom of the screen, you can see ice is a solid, water is a liquid, and that vapor is the gas. The changes. Melting, the transition from the solid to the liquid phase. Freezing, the transition from the liquid phase to the solid phase. Evaporating, the transition from the liquid phase to the gas phase. Condensing, the transition from the gas phase to the liquid phase. Sublimation, the transition from the solid phase to the gas phase. Deposition, the transition from the gas phase to the solid phase. At the bottom of the screen, you can see how all of these changes interact with each other. The ideal gas law. PV is equal to nRT. P is equal to pressure, V is equal to volume, N is equal to number of molecules, R is the gas constant, and T is temperature. You can use this equation to solve many different problems related to phase changes. Phase diagram. Phase transition can be represented by a phase diagram. Here you can see how the different variables of temperature and pressure affect a substance as it changes from solid to liquid to gas. Problem 1. According to the phase diagram, which series of phase changes could take place as pressure is decreased at a constant temperature? Solid to liquid to gas, solid to gas to liquid, gas to liquid to solid, gas to solid to liquid, or liquid to gas to solid. Pause the video and answer the following question. Problem 1 explained. The answer is solid to liquid to gas. This is because if we go to the y-axis, which is pressure, and make our way down, we can see that it starts at solid, goes down to liquid, and ends at gas. Which one of the following is not a chemical change? Pause the video again and answer the following question. Sublimation, combustion, electrolysis, rusting. Problem 2 explained. The answer is sublimation. As we know, sublimation is one of the 6 phase changes. This makes it a physical change, as the molecules are not being changed, simply they're bond with each other. Thank you for listening to the presentation.